after the Windows subsystem for Linux is installed, you can access your Windows system as below. Go back to your screen and then within this type PowerShell. Inside PowerShell, you can use your prompt. However, we are going to also use PowerShell, but we are going to run it as an administrator. After you run it as an administrator, you are going to first use WSL install. This will first install the version of the operating system that you need to use. Once the installation of the operating system is complete, we are going to then add or run additional commands to be able to install Apache Airflow. Okay, so all right. Let's go ahead. Let's fix this also. So it looks like another registered HCM is needed. Okay, let's fix this error first. So to solve this error, we need to enable one more service. So let's go to turn Windows feature on and off, and we will just ensure that we have also enabled the virtual machine platform. Okay, so we will enable both the virtual machine platform and the virtual hypervisor platform for this. And then let's again say okay, install these features and then try again. It may also require a restart. Yes, all right, so let's see after the restart.